Hello citizens of the world, we are anonymous. Dear brothers and sisters, now is the time to open your eyes and expose the truth. Operation Watchtower has begun and our mission is far from over. It has come to our attention that the Jehovah's Witness Watchtower cult is involved in more than just pedophilia. We have leaked court documents showing their involvement with money laundering and various front companies that the Watchtower is a silent partner with. It is obvious the Watchtower is not an honest organization by any means, and it should be seen as an enemy of the public trust. Because the Jehovah's Witness Watchtower cult runs so deep, Watchtower actions have included, but not limited to, such crimes as murder, death threats, kidnapping, money laundering, pedophilia, coercion, bribing public officials and law enforcement, mind control, buying and fabricating justice, etc. The Watchtower cult are cowards. They never do any dirty work. The Watchtower cult rely on their contacts and the people they buy. Cops like Foy were bought off and manipulated a case against the Watchtower cult. Investigation was closed. They use their contacts to keep their people out of jail, and if anyone does not comply with the Watchtower's wishes, they are then harassed, phones are tapped and followed. The Watchtower cult has bullied and threatened journalists and their victims from exposing their crimes. The Watchtower cult hates the media, YouTube, Facebook, Wikipedia and WikiLeaks. Anonymous will not stop until the people of the world have seen who these monsters for who and what they are. We call on Anonymous to protest and shut down all Jehovah's Witness Watchtower sites and deface them with a message about their crimes of pedophilia and money laundering. This message has been brought to you by the blood of the innocent. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.